One thing that gets me super excited about this industry is that I really love solving new problems and thinking and stretching my brain around them. And because the customers I work with are so varied, I get to stretch myself by thinking about problems and industries and solutions that I wouldn't have ever gotten exposure to without it. My name's Lateefat. I'm a customer engineer here at Google Cloud with a data analytics specialty. And essentially what I do is help companies build apps and move them to the cloud. So when I was in high school, I took my first statistics course, and I was never fantastic about math. I was pretty good. I won't sell myself short, but when I got to university, I added that as a degree major. During that process, I also was a waitress part-time in college, and I realized I liked interacting with people. And I also tutored, and I was like, I like teaching people about things, especially when they didn't get it before. And so customer engineering is kind of the melding of all of that. I'm teaching customers about cloud that they didn't know before. I'm teaching them about their own products that they might not have known or sat down to discover, but I'm also being able to implement my statistics knowledge, my data analytics knowledge with people and not just behind a screen all day. To build my skills, the first thing I did was I took an online course, and then I also got a professional data engineering certificate for Google Cloud, which is where I work now, as well as really just getting my hands dirty. There's no other way to replace experience. Sometimes that's finding new projects, sometimes that's volunteering for like a local community organization that needs data analytics help. Just anything where you can put yourself in a situation you haven't been in before. By being able to show real time that I could do the work and I had experience that translated, I was able to make my way in. Soft skills that are important for my current job are communication, and by communication, I mean the ability to listen, to understand, as well as communicate complex concepts back to somebody, as well as project management skills. So think about creating a timeline, helping people stick to that timeline, and being able to react quickly if anything comes up. If there was something I could say to anybody starting out for the first time, it's okay if you don't understand things. It's okay if it's confusing. But now, 3 years later, I realized most of the problem was my inability to stop and really think about it and chew on it because I was always like raring to go. And I think you guys will probably all experience this at some point. You just want to be done so fast, get into your next career so fast. Take the opportunity to understand what's going on and then also recognize that it's okay to try something and then try something else. You'll get there eventually.